In Python, it's very easy to reverse iterables. So I'll be teaching you two different ways to reverse iterables in Python. So let's say suppose you have a list A is equal to 1, 2, 3 to 5. And you want to reverse it in a way that it starts from 5, 4, 3 to 1. One way to do this is by using the reverse method. So we can say a dot reverse, and then next thing we can do is to print a, and this will reverse the list for us. So when we print a, we should get 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And let me run this, and you can see this indeed works. Okay, so we are able to use this reverse method to do this, and it works. What if you want to reverse it and assign it to a new variable? Okay, with that this will not work. So let's say for instance we said b is equal to a dot reverse and we are printing b. This will not work. This return as none. Okay, so when you are using a dot reverse or you are using the reverse method, you can assign it to a new variable, and this is one downside of it. But there is another way of reversing. So the next way, let's say we have b which is equal to, now let's use Python, and we want to reverse Python. So we want to start from NOHT and so on. What we can do here is to print b, and we use colon colon -1. That means we want to start from the back. -1 here means you want to start from the back and you are expected to get something like this. So let's print this, and you can see now instead of Python we get something here which I can't even pronounce. So these are two different ways for reversing in Python. So guys, these are the two main ways of reversing some iterables in Python. If you love this tutorial, make sure you subscribe and also share this with someone. And also if you have any questions, the comment section is always your friend. Drop it there and I'll be more than glad to help.